My name is Bee Arthur. I'm a fashion designer and an artist. This year's theme for Mother Earth Festival is Planet versus Plastics. Therefore, this installation talks about plastic pollution, and it also talks about fishing nets that are either dumped, lost, damaged, and left basically inside the ocean or the rivers or the lakes. And what happens is they trap fishes, octopuses, turtles, marine life, and basically it's a waste, because when the fishermen catch those things, at least we eat them, but when they trap them, they just die, and it's a waste. And they also pollute the water bodies. So this fishing net, which is black, is supposed to represent the ocean, which is covered with black polythene bags.
Okay.
And as you can see, it looks bright and lively and nice. Beautiful. But it's the brightness is to attract your attention. If you look closer, it's quite a sad story. There is plastic all over the place, bottles, there is straw, and what you see in the middle, she's called Madonna of the plastic forks. Actually, Madonna, which is like Virgin Mary.
Okay.
Virgin Mary.
Yeah.
So she's called Madonna of the plastic forks. If you look at what she's wearing, a headgear, it's made of black plates, plastic plates, and forks. And this is all single use, which means that you can't even upcycle this. So the idea is to inspire people to recycle and recycle. The reason why there's a mirror is because you are looking at the man in the mirror. You are part of the problem. Yes. So as much as she represents Virgin Mary, she also represents death. You see, she's all clad in black. And look at the planet. You see, the globe represents the planet, which is basically enveloped or encompassed or engulfed, whichever word you prefer, in plastic, in polyethylene. So if we don't change our attitude, if we don't stop polluting, if we don't start upcycling and reusing, basically we'll kill the planet. And if we kill the planet, that's our only home. We don't have another planet. This is the only one we have. So this is the story I'm telling, which looks playful and colorful, and it attracts the attention of children. But actually the story we're telling here is serious, and we want to basically prick your conscience, awaken you, sensitize you, conscientize you. Please stop throwing things everywhere you go. If there's no baller, there's no bin, put it in your bag, put it in your pocket, get somewhere where there is a bin, and throw it. Otherwise, try to upcycle it. I've upcycled all my trash and I've made art out of it to tell a story. All of this is stuff from my own collection. These are my old mannequins that are broken. I didn't throw them away. I've used them. So basically, and that particular work there talks about the small boys that are made to dive in the Volta Lake and rivers to disentangle nets, and a lot of them end up drowning. So you see that there's a chalewote on top of the foot, and it's a child size. It's a small size. So that's what this is supposed to represent. And then, as you can see, there are a lot of tires, because the tires to pollute. When you go driving up the highway, you see people's tires explode, the trucks, and then you see pieces of it all over the place. These are all pollutants.